In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bundle deals to your Shopify store. So make sure you watch the end of this video because everything in here is very crucial, and if you miss a step, you might not be able to get this to work. Now, if you watch the whole video as well, you're going to be able to get it done very good. So first of all, we want to go over here to add apps. We want to go to the Shopify app store. Now, there's a ton of different apps you can use, but I'm going to show you my favorite ones and the ones I find have worked best. So I'm going to type bundle in the top up here like this. Now, here's a few that work well. Wide bundle is always a very good option. It's very customizable, it looks very good, and it works very well. Now, another one you could use, which is slightly different, is frequently bought together. It looks like this. Yeah, and another one you could use is also reconvert. There's a few you can use. These are my recommendations, so watch this video, give them a go. If you don't like it, try some of these out, and the premise will be pretty much the same. So I'm going to try reconvert just because it offers a free. It offers free, so I don't need to pay for it at all. So I'm going to click on view a demo store, and I'm going to show you here what it is first to make sure that this is what you're looking for. So if I go to reconvert here, I'm going to need a password. So let me go back. It's going to, if I press continue to next, it's going to have upsell bundles here on the checkout, which is a very cool feature, as you can see. It also has an upsell here, so if you want to add like an upsell bundle for the checkout, you can do that. So it's sort of like a last minute one. Now, frequently bought together is a little bit different, and I'm going to view a demo store here. So this will, I don't know, oh, here we go, it's popped up now. So this is going to be very Amazon-like, frequently bought together. So this is like more of the bundles we're kind of looking for at this stage. This is going to offer things that people frequently buy together. So if you want to get them to buy like a full set, you can do this. And they can click and customize the ones they want, or they can remove it. And this integrates with like other apps like review apps, so it's really good. But for now, I'm just going to click add to cart, and I'm going to show you how it works. So boom, it's added all of them together, and they would have had a discount applied. So I click checkout. And you can see that there should be maybe there's not a discount here, maybe they haven't got one on the store, but you can add a discount for bulk. Now that's what that one looks like. This is a pretty good one. Now the last one I want to show you is the wide bundle. This is different. It's for like bundling like products. If you're trying to do like buy two get one free, you could do that. So here you can have different offers here. So you see you've got buy two get one free. So they get to select the t-shirts they want. So they can get a white one, they can get two white ones and a pink one, and they get the last one for free. So we can go free white ones, or we could customize it. And you can see it looks very nice and clean. There's a lot of customizations you can do on here. So I can add to cart, and that's created like a custom product. So it's slightly different where it creates a custom product here. You can see it's got like the bundle here. And yeah, they have a few different options. So if you want to do like upsells with like bundles like this, it's going to do that. So that's pretty good. They've also got like surgical mask bundles here. So you can change the amount of boxes you want. It's really customizable and it's really good. So I'd recommend trying those out. All you want to do is just add them to your store, and then they're going to ask you for your install apps, going to ask you for your details. So it's going to ask you the payment method. And once you've done that, you can go in and customize it. It's very easy, and they do generally have like step-by-steps from the developers themselves on what to do. Now, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like and subscribe. And if you want me to go into more depth about the specific customizations of the apps, then I can do that as well. But thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. It helped.